Hello friends, I'm Phantomas. Today I will show you how you can implement theme achievements into your Godot project. Necessary is you have the version 4.1 to 4.3, and the first thing you have to do is to go to the asset lib, give type Steam, take Godot Steam, GDE extension 4.1, 4.3 duplicate it, download it and install it. Now you should have on your game folder, here should be a new folder with Godot Steam. So the first thing you are doing is to create a new folder with add-ons. It's really important. And drag and drop your Godot Steam folder inside the add-ons. It's really important. After that, we need the GD extension plugin. This is really necessary. Without, it's not going. The link I will send you in the description below. Yes, after we downloaded it, let me check. Oh yes, here. After we downloaded it, you can see there's an add-ons folder, Godot Steam, and here are the two DLLs we need. One for debug and one for the release later. Just copy the Godot Steam folder into your main folder add-ons. You have your first. On the beginning, we drag drop the Godot Steam file inside here, and now just overwrite it. We will see that we will have, or you will see we will get then have more files. You will have the debug and the release DLLs, and after that, Godot should say that he found a plugin and he needs to restart. If not, you can restart it, or you should restart it. And this is the basic script, should work. Just create a new script. I have my archive, put into, like, I have sent it into my main for tested. For testing, you can take the app IP 480, and this is the basic script. Steam needs to be open for testing, and if you start it, it should print Steam is running. Like if I test it now, and I check here, and we see Steam is running, so the API is calling and working. Yeah, that's all. Small steps. I looked for it about over 2 weeks, and my project was still standing because I really wanted to release my game with Steve achievements. Now it's working. The app ID you can find in your Steam developer site. If you have your app created and you get one, you can later change this. And yeah, if I helped you with this video, how you can make your Godot Steam achievements now work, then please drop a comment below. And if you really want to say thank you for me, then just set my game into your wish list, and that's all. How achievements work, or how you have to implement them, that actually I can't help you. I need to check it by myself. I found 2 YouTube videos about it where I need now to check how it's working, but you guys are smart enough, you can find it too. Yeah, that's all for the video, for the tutorial. Thank you very much, and see you soon.